stated therein that in as far as Senator Bong Revilla is concerned, kung mapapansin nyo nung tinanong siya ng husgado kung may personal dealings siya at all with the good senator, sinabi niya none at all. He had no personal dealings, he had not talked or discussed anything with the good senator specifically for this particular project, and he has not met and personally dealt with him as regards the subject project and any project for that matter in this case. Remember that, well, to answer your question, it only strengthens our defense all along. That si former Senator Bong Revilla does not have any participation or any involvement in the so-called alleged ghost flood control project as far as this case is concerned. So that's one. Number two, pagdating dun sa mga sinasabi na may annotation daw dun na SBR prof, kung napakinggan nyo ng masinsinan yung pagtatanong kanina, it appears that he only instructed his aide, I think by the name of Engineer Carlo Rivera, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, to put in that particular note or remark doon sa listahan. And nung tinanong siya kung anong basihan, sinabi niya lang that this is only based on what was relayed to him or what was instructed to him. And he repeatedly point out to the former Undersecretary Bernal. So in other words, walang basis yung pagkakalagay ng initial or kung ano man yung nilagay doon sa listahan na yun.